Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to power clip and to make your picture to pop up. Okay guys, just simple trick, because some people have been testing me to give them little simple trick, that simple trick that will help you to do this. Okay guys, so let's dive in now. I'll go back to my Corel director. So the first thing here to do is to come down to this place and you make your acrylic slip and then control key drag, okay, like this. Release it, press P to centralize. Okay guys, the next thing to do is to let me use the color it with this, okay, and then I will come down to this place to remove the outline color, okay, and then I will hold shift key and my mouse like this, and I will release it, and I'll paint this with this color, Do you see that now? Okay, now next thing to do here is to go to my desktop to bring in the picture I want to use. Okay, so I will just drag it in. Okay, so there is this picture I want to use. The first thing to know, the trick is this. There's no, don't just waste your time. This is a very simple trick. Okay guys, and just have to take it down here, just resize it like this, make it up a little bit, like this. Have you seen this one? Okay, so this is exactly what I need. The second thing is that press your control, drag it out, and use your right click to copy it down. Okay, copy it down like this. And one thing I want you to understand is that you can see these two now, they are in the same length. Okay, they are in the same length, the same way, the same perfect. It's perfect. Okay, next thing to do now is to come down to this one. Okay, take it out a little bit, like this. So you now go to, okay, let me color this one with blue like this, and this one red. Okay, so now you now go to object. From objects you go to place it inside power frame. Okay, and then you go to edit, you edit it, and then you press P to centralize. Okay, press it to centralize like this, and then you make it perfect like that, and you place it. Have you seen that now? The next thing to do is to come down to this, the one we copy here, and we drag it. Use your left mouse to drag it in like this. Just simple trick. Okay, you don't need to stress yourself. Just simple trick. So you drag it, and you make it to cover the one inside the frame. Okay, after that we use these techniques. So you can see I'm dragging it now. I have to be patient so that everything will be perfect. So that is what I'm trying to do. Just go down and look at it to make it perfect. Okay, okay, I'm dragging it now. to make it perfect with this one. Okay, now I need to take it down a little bit. Okay, so making it like this, you take it down a little bit to make it perfect. All right, as you can see it here now, it's perfect. The next thing to do is go to your shape tools. Go to your shape tools. Okay, go to your shape tools and use your arrow key to draw this inside. Use it to draw it inside. Can you see that now? As I'm drawing it, it's moving inside. I'm drawing it, it's moving inside. So that's how you will be doing it till this thing is perfect. That is simple logic that you can use. You don't need to stress much of your time doing powerclip pop-up anyhow. Okay, so as you can see it now, it's perfect. I'm using it now, moving up. Okay, and then I will use this one also. I will use it to drag it in. So I'm dragging it in now. So dragging it in, think it's perfect like this. So that is it. Okay, and then I think there's something here again to drag in. So let me drag this one in. So we have to drag this one in also, so that the line will not be there. You make it perfect like this. I think it's okay like this. So as you can see it now, it's already perfect. This is the perfect work and just simple trick. Okay guys, simple trick to make your picture perfect. And you can use the color combo like this one now. You can color it with this one. Okay guys, what do you see it now? So it's perfect now. So that is how to make a perfect power clip to make the picture pop up. Okay guys, and if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to like this and subscribe to this channel for further notifications.